everyone, a warm welcome to our channel Daily Talk. It's really glad to see all of you after a real long time. Yes, our channel Learning English Made Simple has been put on hold for some time. So until then, we will be meeting together in this channel itself, the Daily Talk. It's going to be one channel for me and Yashwant, and both of us will be making videos together or even individually. But anyways, we will keep connected through this channel. So all you have to do is to subscribe to this channel to make sure we are connected regularly. Alright, and let me also tell you the reason for the channel name change from Yashwant Speaks to Daily Talk. It is more like a commitment that me and Yashwant will be giving to all of you, because we are going to talk to you every day. Either he or me or even both of us on some days. We are going to talk to each other every day. So this is the commitment through the channel name we are giving you, that we are going to talk daily about something new and useful for all of you out there. So to have a hang of all those, don't fail to subscribe to the channel. And now let's get into the video. Today's video is going to be about word of the day. Yes, we have a series word of the day in this channel, and along with this, this video is also going to get tagged along to it. Today's word is going to be dawn. Dawn. D-A-W-N. Dawn. Dawn. And another word is going to be dusk. Dawn to dusk. This is the word for the day, dawn and dusk. We are going to learn two words. I would be giving you the meaning of the words. I'll be explaining you how to use them in sentences, and alongside I would also give you example sentences. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alright, first let's see the word dawn. Dawn. D-A-W-N. Dawn. The meaning of this word dawn is early morning, when the sun rises. Like in Tamil we say அதிகாலை. இன்னைக்கு நான் அதிகாலையிலே எழுந்து நிறைய வேலை செஞ்சேன். நாங்கள் வெளியில் போகிறதுனால நாளைக்கு அதிகாலையிலே எந்திரிக்க வேண்டியதாக இருக்குது. இந்த மாதிரி we use the word அதிகாலை in Tamil. அதே தான் dawn in English. D-A-W-N. Dawn means அதிகாலை, when the sun rises. அந்த சூரியன் உதயமாகிற நேரம் தான் we say as dawn. Early morning அப்படிங்கும்போது வந்து it's a normal word that we use. I woke up early morning. So அதுக்கு பதிலா if you want to improve your vocabulary, you can say I woke up in the dawn today. சூரியன் உதயமாகிறதுன்றது தான் dawn. I am working since dawn today. Means அதிகாலையிலேருந்து நான் வேலை செஞ்சுட்டே இருக்கேன். That is how we use dawn in a sentence. Tomorrow I have to wake up in the dawn because I have to travel a long distance to my relative's house. Means dawn, early in the morning. சூரியன் உதயமாகும்போது நம்ம செய்கிற எந்த ஒரு வேலையும் dawn அப்படின்ற வார்த்தையில நம்ம சொல்லலாம். The next word is dusk. Dusk. D-U-S-K. Dusk. Dusk அப்படின்றது சூரியன் மறைகிற நேரம். சாயங்காலம், evenings. The time when the sun sets is called dusk. Sun rising is dawn and sun setting is dusk. From dawn to dusk அப்படின்றது வந்து யூஷுவலா நம்ம வந்து ஒரு ஃப்ரேஸாவே சொல்லுவோம். I work from dawn to dusk means சூரியன் உதயமாகும்போது நான் வேலை செய்ய ஆரம்பிச்சேன், இப்போ சூரியனே மறைஞ்சிச்சு, இன்னும் என்னோட வேலை முடியல அப்படின்றது வந்து I work from dawn to dusk அப்படின்னு நம்ம வந்து சொல்லலாம். Dawn means சூரியன் உதயமாகிறது and dusk means சூரியன் மறைகிற நேரம். The time when the sun sets is called as dusk. So next time when you want to refer anything about the sunrise timing to the sunset timing, you can use the word dawn and dusk. From dawn to dusk. Usually dawn to dusk is very much related to people who are working in the field, like the agriculture. The farmers usually work from dawn to dusk because அவங்க early morning சூரியன் உதயமாகும் போதே அவங்களோட வேலையை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிடுவாங்க, and after dusk it will be completely dark. So அதுக்கு மேல அவங்களால வந்து ஃபீல்ட்ல ஒர்க் பண்ண முடியாது இருட்டில். ஸோ யூஸ்வலி a farmer works from dawn to dusk. சூரியன் உதயமாகும் போதுலேருந்து சூரியன் மறைகிற வரைக்கும் நடக்கிற எந்த ஒரு விஷயத்தையும் we can refer using from dawn to dusk. Alright, so next time நீங்க ஏதாவது early morning இல்ல ஒரு sunrise time denote பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா you can use the word dawn, and sunset பத்தி பேசணும்னா we can use the word dusk. இது ரெண்டுமே it's a noun. The part of speech for these two words would be a noun, so you can use it accordingly in the sentence. So today's word, just a quick recap. Dawn. Dawn is sunrise and dusk is sunset. From dawn to dusk means sunrise to sunset. Anything that you want to refer from sunrise to sunset, we can use the word dawn to dusk. And I hope this video was informative to all of you out there. Either me or Yashwant would be meeting you every day going forward. So stay tuned, stay subscribed, and let's learn together. Until we meet next time, take good care of yourself, keep learning, keep practicing, and that is the secret to improve your English.